Why do most Americans fail to earn money online? It's not because they're lazy or unmotivated, it's because they're following outdated advice. I'll expose the 3 biggest mistakes keeping people broke and show you how to flip the script and start earning real income from home. Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or watching others succeed online while you struggle, this video is for you. I'm giving you the truth and a proven plan to start making money online in the US economy today. Mistake number 1, chasing hype. From crypto to dropshipping, Americans are bombarded with get-rich-quick schemes. But the truth? Sustainable income comes from solving real problems. Learn a skill, copywriting, video editing, coding, and build from there. Mistake number 2, no audience. You can't sell anything if no one knows you exist. Start building your audience now. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, share your story, build trust. That's how you convert views into dollars. Mistake number 3, no system. Americans treat online income like a lottery ticket. You need a repeatable system. Content, audience, offer, conversion. Whether it's freelancing, coaching, or selling digital products, build a funnel that works while you sleep. Here's your 3-step plan. Pick a skill you enjoy and can monetize. Create content around that skill to attract attention. Offer something valuable, an ebook, a course, a service. This isn't theory, it's what works in today's US market. If this video gave you clarity, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment with the skill you're going to master.